Right, RC Addict here. Right, I've messed around with the settings of little Diatone F1 and with me GPS on top and EXPRESSLRS little antenna there poking out. Can you see it? And literally I just got the first fix in about a minute, so it has actually worked, and I've just got a flight time of about 3.5 minutes. So let's put this battery in. About 3 batteries to get a cold fix for the SATs. I am absolutely over the moon. I've just had
GPS good.
GPS good. So basically you gotta wait for that first fix. Once you got your first fix, everything's good, everything's working. Here we go. So at the moment we've got a drone come in, blinking away, telling us that our SAT's working. On here we've got 5 satellites that it's picking up. That's because it's next to a wall next to me. If we go over to our Lua script, we've got
GPS good.
GPS good. So 6 satellites again. I'm sure, you know, if we flew away from this wall, we'd get like, you know, like 12, 13 satellites. So it's all good, man. Everything is good. Everything's working.
GPS lost.
Give it a thumbs up, please. And there's a link to the previous video of how I thought I'd failed, but no, I've just had 4 minutes flight time and acquired the GPS lock instantly. Brilliant. There's a lot of bad things going on in the world at the moment. Don't get sucked into the propaganda. Stick with your hobbies, stick with what you do in your work, and, you know, get on with it. Alright, nice one. RC Addict. Bye.